Hi, this is Laine Hardman at Tidy Up Professional Organization. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get your kitchen cabinet free from all that clutter. You may recognize this from the website. There was a before and after picture. The before picture wasn't too bad, but there was lots of bottles shoved in here, snacks up top that nobody could get to or knew about, lots of spices thrown in, didn't know what was in there. So we pulled everything out, we threw away everything that was outdated or stale, and we put it back in this way. Up top is the things that we don't use as much. Drink mix. We got these cool baskets from the dollar store or Staples, 3 for $1. We labeled them, so this one's drink mix. Yeah, we have this tin lying around the house. We put the tea in there and we labeled it. Over here we have our vinegars and our oils. We have a little basket for Jell-O so they're not floating around. I love this half shelf. We have 2 rows of mugs. They're not toppling over each other. They're not going to fall out. Lazy Susan, with our sugar and our powdered sugar and our spices and our vitamins. Everything's within reach, and we still have some room in the corners for the salt and the spray. Another thing we did in the kitchen was we took the bread and the chips and we put them in a nice basket that we just got out of craft store, and we put the cutting board underneath because it's a big item and we didn't know what to do with it. Another little space that we took advantage of between the counter and the refrigerator. We keep our tray there that we use when we go down to use the gas grill. We wipe it off with a damp cloth when we need it, and it's always right there, nice and handy. In this kitchen cabinet, it's great, but it's really deep. So things were getting lost, graham crackers were getting stale, we didn't know we had cereal back there, so we bought these great roll-out drawers from the Container Store. Now these are not custom, but they were really inexpensive because I found them in the clearance rack because they were display, but they work great. I don't have to repurchase items because they went stale. Those are just a few ways to tidy up your kitchen and get it free of the clutter. If you want to see more before and after pictures or you want to know more about our service, visit us at www.tidyupnow.com, and I'm Laine Hardman. Bye!